I didn't make bail. Got time and a story to tell. Started when I was 9 years old. Woke up and daddy was gone. I started hustling and they couldn't tell me nothing. Frontin' in the hood, tryna be somebody. My soul was on empty. I was searching for something. Tried to be good, tried to keep from trouble. Living too fast, trying to make good on a hustle. Sometimes it get rough. Coming from where I'm from, times got hard. Coming from where I'm from, times you gotta walk the word, yeah. Coming from where I'm from, sometimes you gotta do a little dirt. Coming from where I'm from, wasn't really looking, guess I found it. 5'3", light brown skin. Coming from the university, nice style, looking kinda lovely. Didn't know she had much game. Down the ride out, even take the train. Even take her to a poker game. Top notch fried chicken and sushi. Try to be good,